source follower. So now given circuit is a source follower because output is taken from source of the NMOS. For calculating the impedance of the circuit, you need to put a voltage or current source at respective position, either input or output, and other bias or VDD will be grounded, and input AC signal will also get grounded. So here at source of NMOS I am putting one voltage source and I am drawing the small signal model of this given circuit. This is GM. This gate voltage is suppose V1, so this will be GM V1. If you are considering the GMB bulk to source transconductance, GMB VBS, this is B. Drain terminal is connected to VDD, so it will be grounded. At source I am putting one voltage source Vx. Let's say this voltage source value is Vx and current drawn by this voltage source is Ix. Now I can apply KCL at node 1 and KVL in this loop. So if I apply the KVL in this loop, V1 will be equal to minus of Vx, and KCL at node 1 is Ix plus GM. Ix current is entering into the node 1 as well, GMV1 and GMB VBS current also entering into node 1. So all the current is entering into the node 1. So Ix plus GMV1 plus GMV VBS is equals to 0. Now put the value of V1. Now put the value of V1 from equation 1. So Ix will be equal to GMVx plus GMV Vx, and Vx by Ix will be equal to 1 by Gm plus GMV, or if you approximate this, it is almost equal to 1 by Gm. So the output impedance of the source follower is 1 by Gm approximately. This is very important equation and it is usually asked in various interview, and it is required for deriving various it is required in various questions for deriving either gain or maybe impedance or maybe some other things. Okay, if you like the video, please hit like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you. अरे यार अब इसमें देखो क्या हो गया.